Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can implement some basic operation on an image using the Python, and as well as I will explain you the theoretical on an image so that you get the better idea. Okay, so in this video I will cover the basic operations like addition of image, multiplication of image and subtraction of image. So let's take on a look at an example. Okay, so first of all I took these two images. Okay, so this is image 1 and this is image 2. We took the two images, to addition and subtraction and multiplication. This two image has a 3 cross 3, so approximately 9 pixels. Okay, so first of all look on our addition process. So addition process, this is the output of addition output image. Okay, so this operation perform pixel by pixel. Actually all these three performance operation performs pixel by pixels. Don't worry, don't confuse, I will explain you the addition of the images. Okay, so if I add image 1 to image 2, so image 1 plus image 2, the pixel added into the another image pixels. Okay, so like for example here 0 1, so it's 1 2 2, so here 4 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, so in addition process, in this way additional output image will generate. Okay, so same way in a subtraction operation also is working on a pixel to pixel processing. Okay, so in that case also image 1 minus image 2, so it's basically 1 minus 0, it's 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So you probably get a question like, what if I get the number negative? Okay, so just remember that if your number in a negative, so by defaultly Python take as that number as a minimum value, which is in our case 0. Okay, so if you get a minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 255, the OpenCV consider this number as a 0. Okay, so 4 minus 1 3, 5 minus 1 4, 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 0, and how subtraction output image will generate. Okay, so and same in a multiple operation like 1 cross 0, it's 0, 2 cross 2, 4, 3 cross 0, 0, 4 cross 1 is equal to 4. Mind that each pixel operation with their each localized pixel. Okay, so to understand that easily, I color these all pixels, like for a green for this pixel, for sky blue for middle one, for pink on a right middle. Okay, so you get the easily idea on that. So if you have any doubt in the theoretical part, please mention it on the comment section. Let's check on a code. Okay, so this is the Python IDE and just open the code. Okay, so this is a code for addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, so these three are the libraries: CV2 for image processing, NumPy for mathematical operation, and Matplotlib for plotting the images. Okay, so first of all, read the image. To read the image, we use a cv2.im read command. Path and name of the image. We require two images because it's obvious, so we read these two images. Image into the RGB. Are you following my the previous lecture? So in that lecture I describe you the Python reads the BGR formats. So from that we have to convert the image into RGB scale. It's nothing with the addition operation, but if you get the better idea and real image in a RGB scale. Okay, so just convert the color model in RGB, just resize the image because in a theoretical example I describe you that because we need a 3x3 image. Okay, so not 3x3 image, we require a same size of image. Like for example, one image is a 1080 and the one image is a 700x700. So I recommended you that you should resize the 1080 image to 70. Okay, so you get the same pixel size. To resize the image, you get image.shape. So you get this to model height, width and color scale. Okay, so we take the width and height from that, and we convert we resize the image 2 from this height and width, which is image 1, and interpolation cv.interarea. Okay, so print this shape of the images, so we make sure that all has the same pixels. So after that, these three are required: image addition, subtraction and multiplication. The basic, very basic syntax: cv2.add, cv2.subtract, cv2.multiply. Okay, image 1, image 2, which is we read from here. Okay, so these three are the main part of this code. Plotting the images, these are the titles of the images. Okay, so these are the images. Make sure that if you write 9 here, your title should be 9 in this table. Okay, just write a for loop, plot the images and show. So now we are good to go. Now click on run, F5. Okay, save the changes, and these are the shape of the images. Let me show you some shape of the images. Okay, so this is shape of image 1, and according to that dimensions we resize the image 2. Okay, so let's see on output. So this is our output. Oops, okay, just do that one. Okay, so image 1 and image 2 are the image 1 plus image 2, and we get this output. Okay, so add image. So how we can cross check this is the addition of image. Okay, so just first concentrate on this area, and the pixel intensity of this image is written here. Okay, follow my cursor guys, written here. Okay, so whenever I go my cursor here, it's showing in a right corner 195, which is the pixel intensity. Okay, so I move this cursor into the left, and here the 0, 162 and 232. Okay, so whenever I move my cursor here, you can see this is a clear addition. Okay, and one more thing, the why by Karan Patel is not changed and remain constant in all three studies. It's just because the Karan Patel is written in a black, and images are common in all images. If you 0 plus add it's written in a black font, so it's 0 pixel value, as like shown in here. 0 plus 0 means 0, so no changes by Karan Patel. Okay, but if you look here, it's black star and white hole. If you combine them, like 0 plus 255, it's 255, so white circle is dominating the star. Okay, so let's take a look on a subtraction image. Okay, so it's 195, 195, 195, and if you subtract 195 minus 0, it's 195. So all the 195 remains constant here, and if we get a 0 blue value, so 195 minus 233, so it's minus value, and I told you that minus value is not accepted in OpenCV, so it's by default considered as a 0. Okay, so do it in that way. So same in a multiplication. Okay, so in a subtraction, the star in the black, hole in a white. Okay, so 0 minus 255. It's minus 255, and that's why the whole star and whole is converted, circle is converted into the black. I hope you are getting my point, guys. So let's take a look on a multiplication of image. So it's a black star, white hole, and it's kaboom. In the addition section, the whole is dominating, and in a multiplication algorithm, the star is dominating. Let's take a look at how this happened. Because whenever I move the cursor 0 and it is 255, so it's obvious, like 0 is multiplied by 255 is 0. That's why star is dominating, and 0, and apart from the star side, the 255 is dominating. So that's why it's obviously the whole is in the background. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. If you have any doubt, please mention it on the comment section. Thank you.